This is the bucket I've been talking about a few times, or the bucket for the little B7100. It's a sawdust bucket, or it was started life as a sawdust bucket to move sawdust with, but it works real good for firewood as well. And it's just got a set of forks underneath it. Flip the chain off and it'll slide right off the forks. It's 2 foot from there and 3 foot forward, and then it's 4 foot across. So if you get paranoid about it and you stack it in, 6 scoops would be 1 cord, just barely. I've thought about a bracket on the back, basically copying this, and that would reduce, because this bracket that's intended for a forklift, and then the forklift forks in there, that's probably 250 pounds by themselves. It was originally held on the first set of forks. It gave up. That's why we got something so heavy duty now. And then it had a piece of flat bar with holes drilled through it, and that's what held on the original design. But we use the chain now, so I'm hoping, if I do this right, I can show this. There. As you can see, it's just pockets that the forks slide into, and it just falls right off once the chain is undone. Hi, there's my puppy. He's about the size of a baby horse. His name is Chief. You'll probably see him from time to time. But originally, the first design, it was just little slip-in pockets up there at the front, so we lost a little bit more weight. And that's the other thing, is the whole thing is made out of 1/8 inch. The whole thing's made out of 1/8 inch. This seam here and this seam here are bent. They're not welded. Everything else is welded, and if I had it made again, I would try and get them to, instead of a weld joint there, make that a bent joint there as well. But having these angle corners stiffen the bucket up immensely and keep it from rocking back and forth and abusing itself. That, and there is a welded on front edge piece of flat bar. You can see it down there, and then there's these little squares here on the corner, so that when you do try to pick things up with the corners, you're got something a little bit stouter there, and then you realize you probably shouldn't be doing it. Anyway, that is the sawdust / firewood bucket for B7100 that we have, otherwise known as Tinkerbell. So what allows it to lift so much is the rears are liquid filled, and then the backhoe is on it all the time, so its ability to lift is very tremendous compared to what it is supposed to be. And I don't know if you can read that, but it says loader 219. So 219, that would be that metric. Oh, it was probably 219 of a metric ton. So 400 and I don't know, 450 pounds, 500 pounds, 475, somewhere around there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.